Welcome to Brainky. Brainky presents Benefits of Pumpkin Seeds. One of their most important priorities is to stay healthy. Well, Brainky presents how to stay healthy and do your work faster with pumpkin seeds. Number 1. Good for your eyes. Pumpkin is an excellent source of vitamin A, which helps us to protect our eyesight, particularly as we grow older. In fact, vitamin A deficiency is proven to be an extremely common cause of blindness. Number 2. Weight. Pumpkin is a low-calorie food, which is delightful to hear as a pumpkin spice lover. Despite being jam-packed full of nutrients and fiber, a 245-gram cup of pumpkin comes in at just 50 calories. Why not try a tasty low-calorie pumpkin? Number 3. Heart health. Our favorite fall vegetable is packed full of potassium, vitamin C, and fiber, all of which are known to benefit heart health. Studies show that those who regularly consume potassium stand a lesser risk of stroke and heart disease due to potassium's antioxidant properties. Potassium is also great for keeping high blood pressure at bay. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, remember to subscribe to Brainky. Follow Brainky in social media.